Good morning, everyone. I thought today I would do like a day in my life slash what I eat in a day. It's the weekend, but I'm still going to be doing like work and working on some stuff, so you're gonna see that. I had my coffee this morning, which is honestly the best part of the day, especially on like weekends, Saturdays or Sundays. I do take a moment to like enjoy my cup of coffee and have a little bit more of a slower morning. If you're curious what I do during the week, I will leave my 5 a.m. morning routine down below so that you can see that. So it's a little bit slower of a morning. Yeah, coffee is my favorite thing. Let me know down below how you have your coffee. I just have it black and it's super delicious. I also have my Christmas PJs on, especially that time of year. So yeah, I'm very much that into Christmas, especially because we have Thanksgiving in Canada in early October. So there's no Thanksgiving like before Christmas right now. So especially for us, it is full on Christmas mode. So I just got changed into some workout clothes and I'm going to walk over to Soul. So it's after spin now. I have some of these portobello mushroom meal prepped eggs. I'm gonna have that with some avocado and I think put some everything bagel seasoning on them. They're really easy to make. If you haven't heard of the seasoning, it's so good. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of them on the top and of the avocado. It basically makes everything taste like an everything bagel, so it's super delicious. And I also had some of this cauliflower rice that I wanted to finish up. This is a coconut curry version. I'm going to leave the recipe video down the description box, but this is so flavorful and yummy. And yeah, I just wanted to eat this up. Lots of fiber, lots of flavor, healthy and delicious. So I'm just doing a workout load, but I wanted to show you guys this. I add this to my detergent for sheets, towels, and workout wear, and it really helps everything smell really good, especially like workout clothes, and towels, and sheets and everything. You can add it to anything though. So I really just go like this and I add some drops into the detergent itself. So I'm showered and ready for the day. I'm just going to be recording some videos and some intros, one of which is how to be healthy on a budget. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe because that one is coming soon. I have lots of great tips in there where you can still be healthy and save a ton of money. So my plan is to get that done and then probably just do some computer work for a few hours. So I've literally just been at the computer for the last few hours working, but I thought I would show you my Christmas tree because I did put it up. Because why not put it up? I'm definitely one of those people that puts their tree up in November, so I'm gonna show you. It still needs like a little bit of work. I wanna get some more ornaments and just some more things for it, but I'll show you what it looks like right now. So Riverdale's paused there, but this is my tree. I went with like more, well, I do go with more white and like silver, and then I guess then like an R2-D2 on the side, but yeah, so far this is my tree. And then I have this Merry and Bright on the side there, a couple Christmas trees. So is in the mood for some hot chocolate. I'm going to make this reishi hot chocolate from Botanica, and I'm going to use walnut milk in it, which is really good. I just like this brand, Elmhurst, in general because the ingredients are super clean. It's just filtered water and walnuts. Tastes really good too. If I don't use the Botanica one, I will use the Four Sigmatic one. So I'll either use the reishi hot cacao or the cordyceps one which is a little bit spicy. I like that one too. So if I don't use the Botanica, I'll use those. Also, I wanted to mention, if you guys didn't know, I do have a blog where I put up a lot of the recipes from my videos, but also other articles that I don't talk about in my videos. You can also sign up for my free healthy dessert ebook. You just put your email in there and yeah, you'll get it. So I'm gonna leave the link to the blog down below because you definitely wanna get this ebook. It is free and so good. So as you guys can see, I am in my Christmas PJs. It is time for dinner and I've defrosted some chili to have. It's just really warm and cozy. It is already dark out now at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna have some chili, probably like do a little bit of computer work and then just end the day off there. I also just remembered to put on my blue light glasses. I tend to do that at around 6 o'clock at night, and the blue light glasses just help any kind of blue light from screens or anything not interrupt your hormones or your sleep or anything like that. I got mine from Baxter Blue, so I will leave that down below. They're not prescription, they're just a blue light glasses, so I'll leave that down below because blue light from our phones and like computer screens and TVs can really mess with the hormones, especially melatonin. So it suppresses the melatonin and then you're not activating those sleep hormones in order to sleep properly. So super important 2 hours before bed, or even more if you want, to wear blue light glasses if you're looking at screens. So I decided to have a little dessert. I'm having some of this chocolate mousse that I made in my 3-ingredient dessert video, which was the one before this one, but I'll leave it down below. It is so delicious and creamy and decadent, and yeah, I just make a bunch. I store it in a mason jar and then I have some a little bit at a time.